Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the edge of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's painful to listen to you. It's your light, manifestation of light. You have developed into the final form. You've created something. You are a new entire being. You can walk within your purpose right now, and you're showing others, wow, they've never gave up. They kept on building, and look how beautiful they are. Not only are you bringing something that I need, the world needs, but look how happy they've even evolved and become for themselves. You're a great example because you lead by example, not just by words. I see the beauty within me. I hope that you do, because you are gorgeous. I grow and develop my inner self in harmony, light, and beauty, and free myself from negativity. My heart transforms. My intellect shines because you are a loving spirit, you are a genius, and my inner light grows. Therefore, you're going and you are successful. Be confident, stay consistent, love yourself, love one another, be kind to one another, and I love you too.